Good day, everyone. My name is Daniel Elo, and today we'll be handling or dealing with a free training on how to use AI for ebook creations. How to use AI for ebook creations. Now, before we get started with this presentation, ensure you are in a quiet area. Make sure you have a good internet connection. If you're viewing with your phone, switch to portrait mode by bending your phone and clicking on the full screen button. It looks like this. Again, get a paper, get a pen to note down, and finally pay attention. So now, does this sound like you always like get unqualified leads, or you don't even get leads at all? Do you find it difficult to convert your current leads to sales? Then what you need is a lead magnet. Now, what are lead magnets? Now, lead magnets are valuable pieces of content or resources that are offered by business owners to their target audience in exchange for their contact information. So, after getting this contact information, you build a relationship with those leads and you nurture them in your sales funnel. That's simply what a lead magnet is. Now, a lead magnet can be like an ebook, it can be a template, it can be a webinar, just like what we are doing now. It can be a mini course, it can be a free consultation, it can be quizzes, it can be boot camps. So, lead magnets are stuffs like this that makes it easy for you to find your qualified leads and bring them into a funnel where you can convert them from a lead to a sale. So this is a part of selling that you need to, have in your mind. People don't just come to you and buy from you immediately. It doesn't work that way. They need to go through a system. And one of those systems is called lead magnet. One of those systems is called lead magnet. Now, remember this, it's all about exchanging value. Everything you do online, as long as everything you do online is all about exchanging value. For you to make money, you need to give value. So let's keep that in mind. To convince potential customers to share their contact information, you need to offer them something valuable, something that is valuable to them. So high quality lead magnets provide tangible benefits that can motivate your users or visitors or prospects to take action. This is why we use lead magnets. So what are the roles of lead magnets in marketing and lead generation? Now, the first one is first impression. A lead magnet are often the first interaction your prospect has with your brand. So let's say a high quality lead magnet will reflect positively on your brand's professionalism and credibility. So the first thing a lead sees when they see your business for the first time is very, very important. And the way to make a good first impression is by using a lead magnet. The way to make a very good impression the first time is by using a lead magnet. Secondly, engagement. Lead magnets provide practical solutions that engage users. Now, when you're running ads, one of the strategies you should have in mind is, how do I get these leads and convert them to sales? For that to happen, they need to engage with you. Assuming you see an advert on a billboard now and you just walk past it, you didn't engage with that advert. So the point of every advert is to make the visitor, the lead, to engage. So if there is no engagement, that advert will not convert. So if you want an engagement, you can use a lead magnet. A lead magnet will keep your leads engaged and connected with your brand so that they can purchase whatever it is you are selling. The third one is building trust. Now, when you have a properly crafted lead magnet, it can show your expertise. It can show why this lead should buy from you, why this prospect should, start this business opportunity with you. A lead magnet helps you to build trust. Normally, building trust can take a very long time. We're talking about weeks, months. But when you use a lead magnet in your strategy, you can build that trust immediately. Fourth one is conversion. Now, the goal of lead magnets is to convert visitors to leads. That's the goal of a lead magnet, to convert a visitor to a lead. Don't forget the way a funnel looks like. The first part of the funnel is the visitors, people that just visit your business, eyes looking at your business. The next part is a lead. So it's when they become visitors, then they change to leads, then they can change to conversions. So it's step by step, step by step. So high quality lead magnets increase the likelihood of successful conversions, and it allows you to grow your audience list as well. Finally, long-term relationships. The value provided by a high quality lead magnet sets the tone for the ongoing relationship with your lead. What does that mean? When a lead gets a lead magnet from you, when you attract a lead using a lead magnet, let's say an ebook, a 30 minutes consultation, a webinar, you can build long-term relationships with that lead magnet. Now, in this training, you will learn how to use AI for ebook creation. That's what you'll be learning in this training. So what do we expect to learn? The first one, I'll walk you through the process of creating ebooks using AI, from the idea to the final product. Secondly, I will show you the AI tools and resources that you can use to create your ebooks, very quickly. Thirdly, we'll conduct a live demo of the whole process where I will show you step by step what to do, how to do it to get your lead magnet up and running. Fourthly, I'll show you techniques for distributing your lead magnets, or rather, putting it into your marketing campaigns. And finally, I will show you how to measure the success of your lead magnets. All right, let's get started. Now, the AI tools for creating ebook will be Canva and ChatGPT. These are the two AI tools we'll be using to create an ebook using AI. Canva and ChatGPT. I'll be showing you step by step how to use all these tools and create your ebook in few minutes. So let's head over to the browser and practicalize this. So the first two, we have Canva. For you to access this, you need to visit canva.com. When you visit canva.com, it appears like this. If you don't have an account, you can sign up. Once you sign up, this is how it appears. The next tool we are going to be using is called ChatGPT. Again, the same thing. We go to chat.openai.com. If you don't have an account, again, you will need to sign up on each of these AI tools. And yes, both of them are free to use. So once we have these two AI tools on our screen, the next thing we have to do is set up our ebook. Now, how do we set up our ebook? We first have to think of an ebook that will resonate with our kind of business. So let's say I'm a business owner that is into let's say marriage counseling, and I want to generate an ebook. So let me come here. We'll be using one of the ebooks that I created, which is 200 plus ChatGPT prompts for business owners. So with this ebook, you can get different prompts for, let's say, for marketing, for business, for content creation, for email campaigns, for follow-ups, for creating sales pages, and different kind of businesses. So let's go to ebook creation, ChatGPT prompts for ebook creation. So the first prompt is, look at this, generate 5 titles for my lead magnet about business idea. So let's copy this. we come to ChatGPT. For those that don't know what ChatGPT is, it's an AI tool that helps you generate content write-ups for your business. Now, I don't want to explain in detail what ChatGPT does, but I'll be showing you how to use it to create an ebook right now. So if we paste this prompt here, generate 5 titles for my lead magnet about, we change this business idea to marriage counseling. So this is on the assumption that I'm running a business that has to do with marriage counseling. If you are a realtor, you're a network marketer, you're selling products, you're a service provider, whatever it is you're doing, just edit it and put it there. So once we click on this, it gives us 5 different titles for our ebook, for our lead magnet. So we have this, we have this, we have this, this, and this. So you will select the one that you feel will resonate more with what you want your lead to know about your business. Now, don't forget, the goal of writing, or rather creating a lead magnet, is to actually sell something. Don't forget that. That's the goal of creating a lead magnet, to sell something. But at the same time, you need to provide value in your lead magnet so that when the prospect goes through that lead magnet, the call to action on the lead magnet will lead them to your offer. We'll get there in a second. So once we've selected a title, let's select this one. No, let's select okay, Embrace Happily Ever After, Transformative Marriage Counseling Strategies. So let's say this is the ebook you want to create. The next thing you do, craft, come back to the prompt. Let's copy this and we'll paste here. Craft a number words introduction for my book title. So let's say a 200-word introduction for my book. Let's copy the title. Remember, we selected this title and we replace it here. Then we click enter. So it creates a 200-word introduction. Now, again, AI is a tool that is meant to assist us to perform tasks easily, faster. But that doesn't mean you should rely fully on the AI. Now, yes, as you can see, it has created about 200 plus words introduction for the ebook. Now, you that is writing the ebook, you that is, into this business, about marriage counseling, what to do, what to use, and all that, you can find, or rather pick words from here and edit what you want to edit to suit, your brand. So don't just copy all the words you get here and use it to create your ebook. Read it first, pick the ones you want, edit the ones you don't want, then move it to your ebook. Now, we have lots of prompts here, but before we dive into this, let's go to Canva and create the template for the ebook. So once we come to Canva, the first thing we want to do is type here. What will you design today? Let's type A4 document. So whether you are on a free account or on a pro account, you can still use Canva to do your ebook. So let's type A4 document template and we click on it. Once we click on it, we get different templates like this. So what you need to do is just pick anyone. When you pick anyone, you click on customize this template and you click on it. So it opens a new tab for you automatically. Now, once you're on this new tab, by the left side, under templates, if you scroll down, you see different templates of ebooks that you can just click and customize. Now, why do we use templates? It makes the work easier, faster, and professional for us. So when you're picking templates to use by the left side, look for templates that are, not just a single page. Like, look at this. This is just one page. Look for templates that are, you see, this is one of 22. That means there are 22 pages inside this template. You can see that it's moving. There are 22 pages inside this template. Look at this, there's 11 inside this one, but as you can see, this is a pro template. So if you're on a free account, look for templates that don't have this sign pro. So this one is 5 pages. Again, just look for anyone you want to use for now. This one has 5 pages. Okay, let me just pick anyone for now. Okay. Okay, let me just pick this one for now. So once you click on it, the next thing you will do is apply all 22 pages. So once you click on this, everything would show on your dashboard. So now you have all the pages here. Now what you simply need to do now is to go to ChatGPT, create your content for the ebook, copy it, and paste it into the templates. So if you want to design your templates again, you can design each of the elements on your template. Let's copy the name of the ebook, which is this: Embrace Happily Ever After. Transformative marriage counseling strategies. Okay. So you can reduce the text. You can just play around with Canva until you get what you want. If you want to delete, you can delete what you don't want. Anything you don't like here, you can delete it. Let's say you want to put your name here. You can increase the font size here. You can reduce the font size. If you want to bold in it, you can click on B to bold. So these are things you can play around with when you're practicing it yourself. So if you want to, align, this is how the alignment looks like. Okay. So let's say we've created if you want to delete again this, if you want to change the background color, you click on the background, you see the color, background color, and you can change. If you want to add a photo to it, by the left side, you can click photos. You can search for a photo and add. If you want to upload your personal photo, you come to uploads, look for a photo, and you can click on it. Again, adjust it how you want to adjust it. It's your ebook. So look for a way to adjust everything to suit how you want the ebook to look like. As you can see, everything is already merging. If you want to blur the photo, you can click on here, transparency. And reduce or increase. So again, this is for you to play around. I'm just showing you some of the things you can do using Canva. So once you've done the cover of your book, of course, the next thing you have to do now is to start creating the book one after the other. So let's come here. With the next one is outline, number, table of content for my book title. We copy this. We come here, we paste. Let's say outline three table of content for my book, and we put the title. So again, it will create three table of content for the book, which is 1, 2, 3. It can even add more things for you if you want. So once it has created three table of content for you, of course, you need to come back to your template and start editing the template. So let's change here to table of content. So you can drag the text however it is you want to drag it to create your lead magnet. So again, don't copy everything because you want to copy everything. Just read it first, then pick the one you think would suit what you want to tell your prospects on your lead magnet. So once you pick the table of contents, let's do this. We're just setting up the template. Okay. So again, all these are just templates. When you're doing your own ebook, settle down and do it properly. Once you've done the table of content, the next one is this: create a problem statement for my book. What's a problem statement? What's your ebook trying to solve? What's your ebook trying to solve? So let's cancel this and we'll paste. So again, ChatGPT will create a problem statement for you. So you can simply copy this. Again, let's edit all this. So you just need to play around with the template you selected to get what you want. It will make it easier instead of building everything from scratch. Just select the template, play around with it. Problem statement. So we just pasted it. You can highlight everything to increase the text if it's too tiny. And we have our problem statement. One thing you need to note when you're creating ebooks, make sure they don't look like books. What do I mean by that? Don't jam pack all your writing. Make sure there's enough space so that people can also see it properly and be able to read it. Because if your ebook is too jam packed or feeling like it's too difficult to read, people won't be able to read to the ending where they will see your offer. Don't forget, the goal of your ebook is to sell something. So make sure that whatever it is you're writing, it's something that is interesting, that will hook your audience to the ending of your ebook, because your offer will be in the ending of the ebook. That's your call to action. So like this, we've done this, the problem statement. The next thing, create a value proposition. What is a value proposition? What's your ebook trying to solve? What's your ebook trying to solve? So again, ChatGPT has highlighted some things here. That's highlighted some things here. You can copy the ones you want and remove the other ones. So let's do this. If you want to duplicate page, you can duplicate page here. You can move down or move up. So let's move down. So this is the value proposition. How will the ebook help the person reading it? Then let's duplicate this and move it down. So this is the value proposition. So again, we can copy some of the things here and paste. Again, make sure it's readable. Make sure it's readable. So once we've done the value proposition, we also need to do to write the chapters for the ebook. Of course, if you want to write chapter, you can copy. Let's copy this prompt. Come down here, write chapter 1 for my book. So in the ebook, the chapter 1 was clearing the foundation for lasting love. Okay. So you copy that and you paste it here. So as you can see, it writes the chapter for you. It writes the chapter for you. All you need to do now is again read through it, copy what you want to copy from it, and paste it into your ebook. So that's how you will do each chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. Once you've done that, the next thing to do is to generate a call to action for my ebook title to encourage readers to take the next step. Now, your call to action can be you putting your contact details for them to, reach out to you. It can be you listing out your services. Let's say, of course, we are dealing with marriage counseling here. Let's say you're a coach, you're someone that can counsel people about their marriage and all that. You can list all that in your ebook. At the ending of the ebook, list all that at the ending of the ebook. Of course, when you've put your details, your phone number, your picture, then you find a place to put your services and a button. The button can be a WhatsApp button, which is like a button that will lead them to message you immediately. So if you want to put a WhatsApp button on your ebook, yes, you can do that like a WhatsApp link. So let's say you come to Element, you search for button. Don't forget elements. You come to elements, you search for buttons. You see different buttons like this. So you can just select anyone. So once you select it, as you can see, this is currently black. We click on color and let's change the color to this. Once we've changed the color, we come to text. We can write text, WhatsApp pause. Again, if we want to edit the text, we can highlight the text. Look at text color. We click on it. Choose the color we want to use. Once we've done all that, if we want to put our link, we click on it. We click more. Then we'll see link. Again, if you want to add a WhatsApp button into your ebook, because just like the name says, it's an ebook, so they will read it on their phone, on their devices. So if you want them to message you by just clicking on the ebook, you can just click here, click on more, click on link, then add your WhatsApp link. Of course, you'd have your WhatsApp link, word.link slash. So once you've done all that, you click on enter, and automatically this would be a link. As you can see, link added. So when I'm reading this ebook, if I click on this place, it will redirect me to the WhatsApp. So this is how you can create your ebook step by step, template by template, page by page. And once you're done with everything, you come here, click on share, click on download, change the file type to PDF print. PDF print. Select all the pages of the ebook you did. If it's all of them you want to join together as an ebook, just leave it at all pages. If you want to select some particular pages, that's fine. Once you're done with everything, you click on done and you click on download. So Canva will automatically join your ebook together and will export it for download. So right now, this is what we've done so far. So assuming everything was properly done, this ebook is ready to be used as a lead magnet. As you can see, let me click on this button now, and then you see what happens. So if I click on it, it redirects to where I want it to redirect to. Of course, I didn't use a proper WhatsApp link. That's just an example. So the ebook or the lead magnet is already, it's done and ready to be used. If you also want to create books for selling purposes, this is also something. These are the tools you can use to create your books for selling purposes as well. You can also put links on them to make it more professional. So once you're done with all your ebook, now the next thing is this. How do you distribute and integrate it into your marketing campaigns? Now, when you're running ads for your business, when you're running ads for any business you're doing, using lead magnet is very good so that you can get more leads into your business. Because when you're running ads and you put the price of what you're selling on the adverts, people won't click that much. So when you use a free offer and you bring them in, you get lots of leads. Now, why these are lots of leads and why these are helpful leads is because they know what you're offering, they've seen what you're offering, and they are coming to get what you are offering. So when these people come to get the lead magnet, again, the lead magnet can be this ebook, it can be a 30 minutes consultation, it can be a webinar, whatever it is they are coming for. Once they come in bulk to you and you've given them value, then you can sell your offer to them. You can sell your offer to them. So how do you measure the success of lead magnets? At the end of every lead magnet, make sure you have a call to action. It can be a WhatsApp button to redirect them to you. It can be a link to schedule a meeting with you. So you can measure the success of your lead magnets by how many people schedules a meeting with you, how many people comes to your WhatsApp, how many people clicks on the call to action on your ebook and takes action. So when you use your lead magnet for, let's say, 7 days, 14 days, and you don't get lots of people converting, then you need to rework on your lead magnet, because your lead magnet is meant to convert leads to sales. It's meant to convert leads to take them down to your funnel for conversions. So if your lead magnet is not doing that, then you need to check your lead magnet and know what you can optimize in your lead magnet. I hope that makes sense.